This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so hi everyone. Welcome to SAP S4 HANA SD training, SD certification training. So in the course S4 600 business processes in SAP S4 HANA sales. Today in the master data topic, today in the master data topic, we are covering this one, maintaining customer material info records. This topic we are covering today. Okay, so in the customer material info record the topics that we are going to cover there, we will see customer material info record overview. What is customer material info record? Basically we'll understand significance of customer material info record, why we need to use the customer material info record. Okay, why it is used, we'll understand. Creation of customer material info record, how it is created. Again, we will create using both Fiori and GUI. Okay, we will create data stored in customer material info record. What data is stored in the customer info material info record, we will see. Then order entry using customer material info record, how to create sales orders using this CMR. Okay, we will cover that also. Okay, so let's start. First we will understand customer material info record. What is customer material info record exactly? Okay, you can use you can use a customer material info record to store customer specific material data. Okay, so in the organization you will be selling a material, a product to different customers. Okay, now not only to one customer, right? Maybe there is a chance that you may sell it to different customers. So that customer specific data, okay, related to that material, you will maintain in this CMR, customers material info record. Okay, CMIR basically. So I'll explain you with a simple example. Let's say you have a product A. Let's say product A, okay, or let's say product XYZ. Okay, this product you are producing. Now this product you are selling it to different customers. Okay, let's say customer A. Okay, let's say customer B. Let's take three customers. Okay, customer B and then customer C. We're selling it to three customers, same product. Okay, now this customer, in his organization, he calls, he he says this product is, let's say, 1200. Is in his organization this product code is 1200. Okay, material code. And for this customer the product code is, let's say, ABC123 in his organization. Okay, and in the for the customer C, he calls this product in his organization, let's say, uh, Pepsi 123, okay, or let's say Pepsi 101, let's say. Okay, he call with this code. These are the material codes of this product at the customer's place. So where to store this information? This information is stored in the customer material info record, CMIR. We call it as customer material info record. So this customer material info record is always created for the combination of material and the customer and the customer. For this combination, you will maintain the customer material info record. Okay. Now, the following information, the following information in particular can be maintained in the customer material info record. One is the reference from the customer material number to your material number. That is what I just explained. Our material number linked with customer material number. Okay, and a customer specific material description. Okay, the description also may slightly change at customer organization. So that also you will maintain his material description, and also material specific shipping information for the customer, like delivery tolerances, control of partial deliveries, default value for delivering plant. Suppose I'll give you another example. Suppose this customer says, I want, I don't want any partial deliveries. No partial deliveries. deliveries. Okay, and this customer says I am okay with partial deliveries allowed. That means partial deliveries means I'll tell you allowed. Okay, so like this they have their different priorities. Suppose let's say partial delivery means, suppose let's say customer give a order for 100 bottles, let's say 100 bottles. Okay, now you say, uh, at this moment due to some reasons I can only supply 50, and remaining 50 I will supply later point of time. But this customer A says no, 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 you cannot do that, you have to supply all the 10, all the 100 at one go. Okay, whereas customer B says for me it is allowed, partial deliveries are allowed. Okay, you can deliver like 50-50 or 60-40, 70-30. I'm okay with this. So that kind of information you will maintain in the customer material info record. Okay, so now let's continue. If a customer material info record has been defined for a customer and material, okay, the corresponding default values are used instead of the corresponding values in the customer or material master record when a document is created. Normally, when you create sales order, what system does is it will take the data from the customer master and from the material master normally. But if you have customer material info record, then the preference will be given to the data maintained in this customer material info record. It will have the preference. System will first try to read customer info record, customer material info record. From there the data is maintained, it will bring that data into sales order. If it is not maintained, then it will go for the customer master and material master individual data. Okay, so that's what you need to understand. So this is the one. So customer material info record, as I explained, it is maintained for the combination of customer and material. Okay, along with, while maintaining it, you enter the customer number, sales org and distribution channel, and they will maintain. So here if you see in our organization, let's say for a material, let's say the material is headlight deluxe, its material code is this one. Okay, and there is a tail light, its material code is this one. This is in our organization. Now we are selling this to customer. At customer place, in the customer organization, the material code of this headlight deluxe is this one, S330, and material code of tail light is R1700. So this information you will maintain, our material code and customer material code, and also his description, of course, his description. This you will maintain. Okay, so that is the main purpose of creating the customer material info record. Okay, so now let's create them. So while creating, first I will start with what do you say, GUI, Fury. Then after that we will create in what do you say, GUI. Okay, so first what I will do in the GUI, let's take the materials we created earlier. We have created some materials. I'll take those materials. Okay, so these are the materials we have. Okay, these are the materials we have. Okay, so three finished products we have: Pepsi bottle 1 liter, Pepsi bottle 1.5 liter, Pepsi bottle 2 liter. Okay, so now with these three we have, and we have created some vendors already. Okay, business partners in the previous sessions. So now for that combination we will create the customer material info record. So first I'll go to Fury. Okay, I'll launch the Fury. Okay, so now we are in Fury. You have to use this, you have to use this app, manage customer materials. This app you need to use to create CMIRs. Click on that app. Okay, it will take you to the screen. It will take you to the screen. So now click on this button, create. There is a button here, you see, create. Click on that. Okay, then you will get this screen. So here you have the customer and product with star. These are